Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today we're going to be replacing the battery on this 2011 Honda Civic. Basically what you want to do is first thing you're going to do is you're going to go around to the car. You're going to go inside the car itself. And you're going to look at the radio. The radio has that flashing light right here. That's a theft deterrent, which means that if you disconnect the battery, it's going to lose its memory. And unless you have the code to turn the radio back on, you're not going to be able to get it to start. So what you want to do is you can connect up. What I do is a booster pack with a cable, and I plug it into the accessory port where you would charge your cell phone or any accessory port at all. Turn the key to the on position so that all your lights light up on the dashboard. And then you go back underneath the hood. And now you can disconnect the battery without any loss of memory. What you're going to do is you're going to take off this little plastic clip that holds the harness on like that. You're going to remove the other bolt right here which holds the hose down. Remove this hole down right here. And then remove the hold down from the car. You don't have to remove the screws all the way, you just unhook them from down on the bottom. And you remove your negative cable first. Loosen up the positive cable at the same time. Take off your negative cable, just push it to the side. Take off your positive cable, and we can remove the battery from the car. This little plastic cover, we're going to be reusing this. So we just take the battery out. Place the new battery. Place the new battery. Put your cover back over the top of the battery. Push it all down. You can reconnect your positive first, your negative last, and tighten them up. The battery is in, reconnected. Now we're going to put back on the hold down that we previously took off, and I'll show you how that goes. Can I catch it? What you want to do is you want to catch the hold down back underneath the battery tray. Right here, and you see it hooks right in there, and it hooks right up in the front right there, and then we tighten it up. Doesn't have to be real tight, it just has to hold it down so it doesn't move around inside the car. And last, you want to reconnect this bolt that we previously took off. Now if you did it correctly, you're going to go back in. If you did it right, you're going to go back inside the car and you're going to see that you still have all of your presets, and you can turn the key off, and if everything goes well, your radio should still be working. So as you can see, installing the battery is a relatively easy job if you just follow these simple directions. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.